that's the furniture we got rid of in this master bedroom. See the big nightstands with the marble tops. They were really heavy in there and made it really dark. Also the sleigh bed took a lot of space. It's only a queen, you know, but it took more space actually than the king bed we have now. And here are the mirror sliding glass doors on my closet, which I hated. And yeah, that's how it looked. And here is a piece of the floor we put in. See how thick it is. Really good floor. It's called river oak, pet resistant. It was like long planks and you had to sew them, you know, put them in. Pretty cool. Yay! New master bedroom! New master bedroom! Here, closet, mirror gone. Have to work on that one. I have to move everything back in. Looks good. And the floor goes all the way, so nothing of these ugly, you know, square things anymore. The floor goes, the entire house is one floor. This is so freaking cool. Look at this. Look at it. That's how we wanted it. Yes. This is how it looks now inside. Ooh, it's nice. Look, that's a king bed, not a queen anymore, but it looks actually smaller than the queen sleigh bed. We have Tommy Bahama's quilt and shams. We are not done with picture hanging. There's one in the middle missing, a big one. But a few things we still have to do. Yeah, how do you like it? This is my these are our floating nightstands with charging station. Really cool. A little drawer. Then for the computer, and here for the other crap. And the charging station. And I kept, well, some of the mafia furniture we kept. I like my little chest of drawer. Come on, Taco, I'm not filming you. So I kept that one, that's mine. That's mine. And you know, it goes to the master bathroom here. If we also redid, it looks really cool. Everything one floor. Yeah, and my closet now, I got these drapes. We might at some point have barn doors, but not right now. I actually like the curtains. I saw that in the Big Easy where they have curtains on almost every closet, because they have this high humidity and they want to have air going through the closet so that the clothes are not molding. And I liked the idea. So I put these, I don't know if you see it, it's a real linen-flax mixture. Gray curtains, I really like them. Got them on Amazon. I put some crystals in there. When the sun comes in, they reflect the light. I really like it. Put a little roller thing here for my stuff. And here I have one for my bags and my weights. That doesn't come here. Oh. Really cool. And yeah, the TV and that mafia furniture we kept too. That's Clay's closet, and then that one for smaller stuff. We kept that, but it is really, it's a big room now. It looks so much bigger. Clay is not ready yet. He has to clean up his stuff still. Look how big that master bedroom looks. I can't even film it all. Look, it's so cool. Love it, love it. Yeah. Love it.